Students that have and/or are experiencing trauma currently may be difficult to reach due to the fact that they startle easily, constantly are scanning their environment. They don't trust and they don't feel safe to learn. As adults working in schools, we want to ensure what we say and what we do is perceived as coming from a place of safety and trust so that students will listen to us and they understand that we are there to help them, especially during crisis situations. We want to approach students with a low and slow philosophy. Consider your volume and pitch of your voice. We want to lower it so that students understand what we're saying, but also so we're not putting them on high alert with high pitch and high volume. Our matter-of-fact tone, regardless of the situation, helps students feel as if we're under control. We can speak in short sentences without a lot of questions. Again, particularly in crisis situations where the brain may have trouble processing too much information. We don't want to preach. It's all about the student. And we don't want to be talking at them. We want to be working with them in an authentic and safe way. The slow approach asks you to consider your current state as an educator. By slowing ourselves physically down, we can lower our heart rate. We can take some slow breaths before we speak to a student to make sure that what we are offering is meaningful and impactful and not threatening. We slow down our rate of speech. We make sure we pause between sentences so that students can fully digest and reflect what we've said to them. By slowing down our body movements, we also ensure that we are not triggering students who may be reacting to physical movements coming at them too fast. Slowing down the body is also an ideal way to slow down the mind for adults working with students. The bottom line is our agenda may not be the student's agenda in the moment. We want to take our time. We want to provide authentic listening so that the student knows that we are there for them and that they can depend on us day in and day out.